Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. Focus. Do not give dogs what is holy, and do not throw your pearls before pigs, lest they trample them underfoot. King Hezekiah, when confronted with a major crisis, approaches the Lord in prayer and waits upon Him for an answer. Amidst our storms, we too have Jesus to turn to in prayer. He is our Savior and promises to guide us. In the Gospel, Jesus teaches us how to live our lives. He makes a clear distinction between what is holy and what is profane. Profane means that which is not sacred. Sadly, today the dividing line between profane and sacred is blurred. We have lost the sense of sin. Our soul is holy. Do we make it profane by following worldly standards? Marriage and family are sacred. Are we casual about them, quietly acquiescing as the world tramples on them? By treating extramarital affairs and live-in relationships as cool? Even our attire in church has become unholy. We Christians need to keep our eyes fixed on God for His guidance. He says, "You shall be holy, for I am holy." Jesus gave us certain blessings that are meant to be kept sacred, like marriage, children, family life, and values. We must be careful where and to whom we present these sacred things. We need to be alert that we do not open the sacred to just anyone. Fruit. I will seek necessary wisdom to protect the sacredness in my life.